service kasi napaka-init.
Going to green.
Kuya, dun sa may side mo, ano?
Hi guys! So we're back again sa Glorietta Service. Ay, Glorietta Service because pupunta kami ni Michael sa Greenbelt 5 sa Healthway because magpapa-chest x-ray kami. Salamat, Etika. So, bakit kayo magpapa-x-ray?
Ano yun? Makati Health Certificate something.
So, today kami papa-x-ray. Tapos bukas na yung deadline. So, sabi daw, 24 to 48 hours release na result. So, hopefully by that time, nakasubmit kami na sa Makati Health Certificate.
Good luck.
Good luck na lang sa amin. Ayan. Si Kuya Alvin. Wala lang.
Alam eh.
Wala lang.
Basta nag-request sila. Nung last week, sedula. Tapos ngayon, x-ray.
Ano ba ginawa natin today? Kanina. Wala kasi to kanina.
Wala ako kanina.
So, we went to UCC Mentore because we celebrated Carmen's 2nd year anniversary. Libre ng boss natin. Thank you, Arian. Ayun. Nagkwentuhan lang kami. And then, ang daming nangyayari ngayon. Kasi it's Monday. So, ang daming Vibers, emails, follow-ups. And then,
meetings,
aside, exactly, aside from the backlog, may pumapatong pa na mga bagong task, events. Parang, what if malaksak na lang ako dito? Ayoko na.
Sasabayan kita.
So, ayun. It's a really...
Mondays are crazy.
Monday blues, no. No.
May 8 pa daw yung certificate. Ang tagal.
May what?
May 8 pa daw magsa-start yung isa pang assistant kasi may pending documents.
Kasi ang init. Napaka-init. Buisit na to. Ay.
Stress dati, ang lamig na. Ngayon,
init. Agree.
9 pa lang. Spend na sa manok siya.
Truth.
You could be my everything. We could cuddle and then wrestle like we're enemies. You could run your fingers through my hair, cause that's my favorite thing, it'll forever be. Yeah. Not to think too far ahead, but when I think too far ahead,
Kami na naman magkasama ni Chea.
Totoo. Gusto ko ng
Ensaymada croissant.
Maybe I saved the funds and we move somewhere fun like a lakeside flat.
Hanggang mamaya yan ganyan.
Gigi?
Uy! Paano siya ikaw?
Bernard, so guwapo! Talalia! Sorry guys.
Hi! Shireen!
Hi! Hello!
Sige. Sige lang. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Sana naman ako. It's just me.
Send me all okay.
Oh.
I'm going home.
Sobrang init ang maka... Ibang announcement pala yung mangyayari. Pera lang gusto ko.
You.
Ako lang.
Say hi. Bags na ngayon yung pinag-iibili ko sa
So, ito ang color of the month. Kasama yung nails. Are you ready to mingle? Annyeong!
Welcome to the vlog! Annyeong!
Hello! The chica will chika-ing later.
Order food.
Hello po! Ay! Happy birthday naman sa bagong kulay! Thank you! Ay, baliktad! Oh, say hello!
Nag-vlog na nga siya.
Meron na nga! Hello! Say hello! Ba? Ito pa eh. Subscribe to this channel. Hello! Hi, hi! Dito lang sa left.
When I talk to you, yeah, girl, you're 10, but you so much more. Let's see what's in store for us.
Alright, sige.
On our way to Okula. Hello. My God.
Also for the kiosk.
Ano naman yan? Mabilis lang na. I need to do an ocular on the cinema board up.
That's it. Let's go.
Naka-rest day siya? Nice. Sige, bye. Sige. Saka pupunta. Bakit nandun kayo lahat? Nandun kayo lahat?
Ako lang, nagda-lunch break iba.
Because I need to get my license. Done. Moving back to the office.
Aligned every weekend of the entire month of July.
Actually compiled in the feedback deck.
Okay. Sige. So this is option 1. One set of for option 1.
First meal at 4 p.m.
Oh no.
Arnar.
Daming meetings na.
Yes.
Take out lang.
Yes. Yung veggies lang. Green veggies. Ng memo yan.
Ay, yung ano mo? Yung Mother's Day?
Mother's Day. Thank you. None yet. I'm so hungry. Thanks, Kuya.
Oh my God, it's so good.
Bakla lang.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you po.
Kala ko ba punta tayo M&S? Uuwi ka?
Uuwi ka.
Sabi mo pupunta tayo doon.
Hi ma'am, good morning.
Good morning. Nakaloka, minulto ata ako. Or hindi ko alam. Sumarado yung pinto mag-isa. Kaya binuksan ko lahat ng ilaw eh. Uy, sasama ka ba ng DCM?
Yes.
Say hi, Ate Beth.
Hi. Sa vlog ni Michael. Kala ko flashlight ka.
Di ba highlight ang camera? Pag ganun, HR ata yung... Pero kapag sa engineering, alam ko so, paano yun? Sino mag-a-apply ng permit nun? Ex-deal ba yun? May binabayaran ba sila sa amin?
I wanted one of those.
You wanted one of these?
Can I see it?
Okay, let's go, let's go.
I wanted the grown-up. I did anything.
It's downstairs. Basic.
Free movie ticket. How?
You want free movie tickets?
I have the how to get. How? It might be funny. How? Or tell me. Anime tayo.
Anime tayo.
Who's the god of Potion? I mean making. Potion.
Poseidon.
I mean making.
Making?
Yeah. Like blacksmith. Who's the god
Blacksmith?
of Yeah. Who's the god of
Si ano?
Si
Kuba. Nakapapangalan nun eh.
Prometheus?
No. Look at me.
He's not a blacksmith.
Hindi blacksmith si Hercules. May isa pa.
He's a god.
He's a god. He made the more powerful weapons. God of lightning.
That's Zeus.
Who's the god of lightning?
Si Zeus nga. God.
No.
That's Zeus.
No.
Baka naman na sinasabi mo, the lightning thief. Sino?
Si ano?
He's from Marvel.
From Marvel.
From Marvel.
Oh my gosh, Thor?
Yeah.
Are you talking about Thor?
Yeah.
He's a different kasi mythology. He's a Nordic god. There's Greek, there's Roman, Egyptian, Roman, I think.
Is he Roman?
No. Thor kasi is Nordic. From mga Norse gods. They are from Norway.
Wait, who's the god that have a animal head and human body?
Those
from
are
Egyptians?
mga Egyptian
From
gods.
Egyptian?
Egypt. Anubis. He's from the underworld.
The guy who has the animal head
Yes,
and
Anubis nga.
wolf?
Not wolf eh.
Dog?
Yeah, it's a jackal.
He named it Jackal?
No, a jackal is a kind of animal.
What did he name?
Anubis nga. We're gonna go buy food for
I want to
later.
put it all over my body.
Why? It's so hot?
Oh, yeah.
Go to Ayala Triangle because we're gonna celebrate Mommy Ruth's birthday.
I need to get the card.
No, not this one. Here. Ay, card mo.
To load GK cards.
Why?
I don't want to fall down, yeah.
So tiny.
Look, Cloudken.
Walis. Mama Ruth needs walis. She has lots. She has all sorts.
Oh man, I see my favorite. I see my favorite apple juice.
Oreo Pokemon.
Gusto mo to? Meron na sila.
I don't really like it.
Thank you. Nabudol tayo. Kukunin ko. Oh, pero masarap siya. 15 pieces. 15
I don't know how to
sachets.
heat up.
Okay po, kahit ilan po.
You want some? How about this Oreo, baby?
Okay, can I get one too? Ali, you don't want Oreo?
It's Pokemon, di ba yung hinanap ko? Thank you.
Thank you. Dahil mo kinakain.
Matcha. Thank you. Ano to? Milk tea pero matcha. Okay. Thank you. So weird.
Huh?
Weird. It's milk tea but it's matcha. You want? Last na to? What are you gonna eat tonight?
Steak.
And then what's your joke?
Steak or high?
The stakes are high?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
What do you
Because we're gonna go
What's
swimming.
your mouth?
Shop.
Ulit. I feel good. Never. No lifeguard.
No lifeguard?
No lifeguard.
Do you think you need the lifeguard?
No, because they won't let me go to the deep part.
I will let you go to the deep part.
I'll force them to.
Kaya niya yan. Oh. Wait. Saan maglalagay lang ang gamit? Pwede dito sa Pwede may gamit yata.
Mom, my shoes here.
Wait, Ali. Dito na lang. Grabe naman yung long sleeves ka. Hi!
Oh, it's cold. It's cold.
It's cold?
Yeah.
Oh, sige, let's go. Did you have fun at Tita Sai's house?
Yeah, we lost.
You were lost?
Yeah, you lost?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why?
Look how big is this mountain thingy.
What's another word to bring?
Giant.
Another?
Humongous.
Humongous?
Your mama.
Yeah. Ano ba yun? Let's go this way, this way.
Do you want to take the stairs? You can take the stairs if you want.
Where are you going?
We're gonna go around.
I saw one thing.
Kanina, what's the best thing you ate today?
Ali, turn right. Ali. Turn right. Oh, watch your step.
Kanina, what's the best thing you ate today? Actually, the best stuff you today.
Steak.
Steak?
Yeah, bacon steak.
Bacon steak?
Bacon steak.
Bacon slab, I said.